willing to bet that you guys probably think a glossy steering wheel is clean, but I'm here to tell you this is actually nasty. This is so dirty that you're going to be shocked when you see the results. So in today's video, you're going to learn how to clean a steering wheel that has tons of body oils on it with a simple product, leather cleaner, a little brush right here, leather brush, and a microfiber towel. That's it. So let's get started. You're going to take your leather cleaner, which is a pH balanced cleaner. It's very safe for all leather. And you're just going to spray a little bit onto a brush. Now, before we get into the actual cleaning of this part, I'm going to tape this so you can really see the difference of the line here. I'm just going to go right down the center here so you can, well, you'll be able to see the difference between the before and after. I also have a really awesome tip for you guys. So you're going to want to stick around till the end because this tip is going to save you so much time and effort, it's going to blow your mind. So now I'm going to take this brush that we had. I need that extra foaming power right now because as you use this brush, it's going to start to foam up, and that's going to really get deep into the pores of this leather and extract all the dirt. Now, why do things get glossy like this in the first place? Basically, this is the #1 place in your car where you're constantly touching it, right? You have to hold the wheel to drive. So, of course, all of your body oils, dirt, anything you've touched that day, your pad CU or your, chicken fingers, it's all gonna get greased up onto this wheel. And so over time, it basically turns glossy with grease. That's why it looks the way it does. Once I'm done doing that, I'm gonna grab a microfiber towel. I'm gonna fold it into 4s just for convenience. And I'm gonna take this and wipe this off, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna get a lot of grime. So I'm gonna just grab this and start wiping this off right here. And oh my gosh, you can already see, this is crazy. The difference is insane. So right now I'm going to show you, you don't really see a lot of the dirt and grime, unfortunately. I wish that it showed more, but if you look at the wheel, you see how matte this is versus how glossy this is. That is the key right there. That is the difference between a clean steering wheel and a filthy steering wheel. And this is insane. Now I missed a little bit on the edges here and on this opposite side, so I'm gonna go clean that up real quick. We'll probably time lapse it for you. And then I'm gonna pull the tape off and we're gonna show you the difference. Now this cleaner, again, is water-based, it's pH balanced, it's colorless, odorless, and it works on all leather. So you definitely need to use some leather cleaner in your life. I'm gonna spray again, and then we'll time lapse this cleaning and show you what's up. I'm time-lapsed. I'm time-lapsed. I'm time-lapsed. Oh my God, I'm time-lapsed. This is a practical time-lapse right here for you guys. We're not actually using digital effects at all. I'm just practically time-lapsing this whole thing, which also shows you, though, how fast you can do this for yourself or for a client, customer, and yeah, this is it. So that's done. Grab my towel again. Gonna grab this, and really I gotta grab from 2 hands here because this is like so thick on here. All right, I'm just wiping this off. Oh, this is what your steering wheel is supposed to look like. Not only that, but this is what it's supposed to feel like. If video could show you feelings, I mean, I'm not talking about emotional feelings because hopefully the videos do make you feel emotional. The actual physical touch of this is like a slick, glossy, disgusting feeling, which, by the way, I know the owner of this car, so I'm comfortable touching this, but normally you would want to wear gloves if this is a customer you don't know. Versus this, smooth. Oh my gosh, like the feeling, you got to try this for yourself. Put down in the comments below how this feels afterwards. Use your best metaphor on how this feels. I'm going to try to come up with one right now. It's like touching canceled. Drop your metaphor in the comments below after you try this on how the before and after feels, like what the after feels like. It is so smooth. It's like learning to shave for the first time. That's what this feels like to me. Like just smooth skin, not like what I have going on here. This is like my side. This is like smooth baby skin. It's nice. All right. With that said, here we go. I'm gonna pull this tape off so you could really see the difference, and holy, look at that line. This is what the owner of the vehicle is driving around in for who knows how long. Look at how glossy this is. This is all body oils and food oils and dirt, grime, debris that gets stuck into the pores of this. And this is how it's supposed to look. This is clean, smooth, beautiful, vibrant. And that's it. That's how easy it is. Now, I told you to stick around for this video because I'm going to show you an even faster way. And here's the thing. We can use this leather cleaner on the dashboard as well, right? You can use this on your seats. It's a great, versatile product. However, most people are on the go. They're not thinking about this stuff. The best way to prevent this is to maintain it over time. So in the glove box here, I have provided a sweet version of wipes, which is the same beautiful formula, but in wipe form of leather cleaner. It's so simple. You just grab a wipe, you pull it out, okay? Open it up, and literally just wipe. And it's the same exact thing. So I'm just gonna open this up so it's nice and wide. Grab it on here and just wipe the surface. And already you can see this gets the cleaning job done. We're gonna just cover the whole leather surface with this, wipe it off, and just let it dry. And it's gonna basically do the same thing as the spray. So the spray is really meant for good, deep cleans. So if you haven't done this in a long time, you're gonna wanna use the spray to really get in deep. But if you have a well-maintained car and all you have is just a little bit of dirt, then you can easily just wipe it with a wipe. Now, you don't have to use a microfiber towel afterwards. I just like to do so because, you know, I want to wipe any excess product, but it will evaporate on its own. And look at that. Beautiful dashboard. This is the before, this is the after, and that's basically it. So I'm going to finish cleaning up this entire wheel so that this whole entire wheel feels as buttery smooth as this. And also the same thing with the dashboard. One other thing is you could also grab hydro leather. So if you want to add protection, this is infused with ceramic as well. So things like your center console, you can just spray over here quick and grab a microfiber towel and just wipe on there. And you'll see instantly this cleans and protects all leather surfaces. This ends up with a nice matte finish. As you can see when it's drying, it looks perfect. So yeah, that's it. We're gonna just do this around the whole car, and leave a comment down below, and we'll see you on the next video.